Hello everyone, welcome again to your channel Maths Guide. Before we start solving questions, let's understand an important concept called perimeter. Perimeter means the total distance around the boundary of a shape. Just like when we walk around a playground or put a fence around the garden, we are finding its perimeter. In this video, we will focus on the perimeter of a rectangle. We will learn what a rectangle is, understand the meaning of perimeter, learn the formula for finding the perimeter of a rectangle, and then solve step-by-step examples. Now let's understand what is a rectangle. A rectangle is a two-dimensional shape. It is a four-sided figure. Opposite sides are equal in length and opposite sides are parallel to each other, and it has four angles and all angles are of 90 degrees. The perimeter of a rectangle is the total distance around its boundary. Look at this garden. It is in a rectangular shape. It has two lengths and two widths. So if the total length of rectangle is perimeter, we can say that perimeter is equal to two lengths and two widths. We can write it as 2L plus 2 width. It means the sum of all four sides. So in short form, we can write the perimeter of rectangular as 2 into length plus width. It means length is twice and width is twice. And if we add length plus width and we multiply it by 2, we get the perimeter. Now we have a paper sheet of two dimension which is rectangular in shape, and the length is 9 centimeter and width is 6 centimeter, and we have to calculate the perimeter of this paper sheet. What we have to do, we have to use a formula, that is perimeter of rectangle is 2 into length plus width. Using this formula, we can put the value in it and find out the perimeter. How? Perimeter is equal to 2 into length is 9 centimeter and width is 6 centimeter. First of all, we will add them. 9 plus 6 is 15 centimeter, and then multiply by 2, we get 30 centimeter. It means if the sum of these two sides is 15 and these two sides is also 15, it means the sum of all four sides is 30 centimeter. Now let's take another example for better understanding of this concept of perimeter of a rectangle. Now, as I've told you that the longer side of a rectangle is length and the shorter side is width. Now look at the measurements of its dimensions. Its width is 4.5 centimeter and its length is 6.5 centimeter. And now we will put these values into the formula to find out the perimeter of this rectangular shape. The perimeter is 2 into length plus width, as we all know. Putting the values into it, 2 into 6 plus 5 centimeter plus 4.5 centimeter. 6 plus 5 centimeter plus 4.5 centimeter is 11 centimeter. And when we multiply it by 2, we get 22 centimeter as its perimeter. It's very easy to calculate the perimeter of rectangle when two dimensions are known. But what if any one of the dimension is unknown and perimeter is given, like length is unknown or width is unknown, but we have been given the perimeter? How can we find out that unknown dimension? We will change our formula, that length is equal to perimeter divided by 2 and then subtract width from it. Perimeter divided by 2 means out of 4 sides, we will subtract 2 sides from it. Now we have one length and one width, in which width is known, that is 15 centimeter, and length is not known. We have to find it. When we will divide perimeter by 2, the perimeter is 94 and we will divide it by 2, we get 47 centimeter. Now from this 47 centimeter, as the total length of these two sides is 47 centimeter, we will subtract this 15 from it and we get the length, and the length is 32 centimeter. Clear? Perimeter is used whenever we need to find the total distance around an object or area. Some common daily life uses are fencing a garden or field, framing pictures or mirrors, bordering a carpet or mat, walking or jogging tracks, wrapping ribbons or ropes or construction and building like building wall around room. And the formulas we learned in this video is perimeter is 2 into length plus width, and if we have to find out the length from the perimeter we will divide it by 2 and subtract width from it, and if we have to find out the width we will divide perimeter by 2 and subtract length from it. Stay tuned to my channel. Don't forget to like, subscribe and share it to friends and family.